If you have one dog, you have one problem, and you already know what happens with more.
Paying attention. Did you put that ball there?
When your favorite human is sleeping, but all you have in mind is to play balls. Oh, seem like someone's schedule needs fixing? This time we play, next you can go to sleep. Hey buddies, let's subscribe for daily doses of cuteness, cause we're all here for that.
If it's not bad, but it's like in your
The innocent face tells me he is not innocent. It's a fact.
like really bad though, like end it.
모르겠던 그 순간 가오심은
Today is his day for sure. Nothing can ruin the good mood because he's happy from within.
You're an idiot. You should have called me. Man, why didn't you call me? I'm an adult.
This furry guy's dark humor needs to be studied for real.
Do you want to go on a walk? Hey. Rory, look. Wanna go on a walk?
If your day is down, don't forget there's one that can lift it up anytime. Hey, watch your butt, ma'am. I am right here, under your feet.
Does that feel good, Liza?
He must be dreaming of his Chick-fil-A in his dream.
Look, I'm not saying I'm ignoring them. If I see you at the gates, I'm gonna say hello to you, or in the garden, you're walking by the night, I'll be like, hey, what's up?
Today we welcome the new chef with a menu primarily treats and snuggles, which I like.
Easy down here.
Oh, it's just the same as Starbucks. It's a pup cup.
Well, he has a taste, to be honest. Remember to give him Starby's pup cup next time, Mom.
That what Starbucks gives you.
You're not cool. Almost.
They are, of course, siblings for sure, because look what they are fighting for.
โอ้ยฮานี่แม่มึงไปโรงเรียนนะมึงไปโรงเรียนนะจะมีนะวันหยุดนะ
There's nothing more than their passion for fighting with their siblings. Must be a job. Enemies are always closer than what we think, well, might be true.
Bữa ơi, bữa, bữa, ôi, thì mình bữa, bữa, ผมมี ไผเล่นน้องกูเลยกูคือเบื่อแต่มือนี่โอ๊ย
Thanks for your time. We'd love to see you all in the next coming episodes. Stay tuned.